Hello, it's March 26th, 2020, and this is your weekly car crap, the best automotive news from the past week. Volvo, the Swedish car company, has just issued a recall for a small handful of their vehicles. Vehicles will include the 2019 and 2020 V60, and V60 Cross Country, and S90L, V90, V90 Cross Country, XC40, XC60, and XC90. Yeah, so basically every Volvo made between 2019 and 2020. The company says that the problem is that their automatic emergency braking system may fail to recognize obstacles. The problem was discovered last year by the Federation of Danish Motorists when they realized the XC60 they were testing would consistently fail at detecting objects. So, owners of these vehicles should be checking their mailboxes soon because a software fix will be coming May 1st. The company will be contacting owners to schedule an appointment with dealers so they could get this update installed. Now, the new mid-engine C8 Corvette has recently began delivering to customers, and so far many people have had positive things to say. However, some new owners have already begun reporting a slight problem. Let's wait for the dogs to stop barking. Okay. Nope. First posted on a Facebook page for C8 owners, the issue seems to come when the driver's door is opened all the way. A screw on the fender, which is reportedly too long, will come in contact with the driver's door and chip the paint. I don't even know if I would be mad or just confused. If I was mad, would I be mad at myself for opening the door? The problem doesn't seem to be a design or engineering mistake, but rather a manufacturing one, as other new Corvette owners have reported that they do not have this issue because there is a shorter screw in that place. GM has not yet acknowledged this issue. This year marks the 70th birthday of the VW Transporter van. Yes, the humble people carrier that became a 60s icon. I really like these things. See this row? This entire row is all Volkswagen cool combis. And these. Anyway, VW has teamed up with company E-Classics to retrofit their Classic with their latest electric powertrain, creating what they call the E-Bully. That just sounds like someone who's mean on the internet. Well, regardless, the vehicle will have a revamped interior, LED lighting, and nearly double the horsepower at 82! Wow! Which means that this electric conversion will have a top speed of around 80 miles per hour. Wow! Well, I guess that's fine since the airbags are essentially your face. If you want it, the conversion will cost you $71,000, not including the price of the van. Someone give me $70,000+. As the global health crisis continues, automakers have been stepping up to do what they can to help. Ford announced that they will be working with 3M to produce a new type of powered air purifying respirator for healthcare workers. In addition, they will be working with GE Healthcare to help increase the production of ventilators. Meanwhile, General Motors will be teaming up with Ventec Life Systems to also help increase the production of ventilators. And Tesla's Elon Musk has said that the New York Gigafactory will be reopening for ventilator production. Meanwhile, other brands are trying their best to help those stuck at home social distancing. Mercedes, Audi, and Callum have all released free coloring pages for those at home battling boredom. So if you're bored, now you could color an R8. Yay! Even Car and Driver are trying to do what they can to help. On their site, they're giving you a chance to build your very own paper Cybertruck, or Bugatti, or play some free games, or even connect the dots on a Corvette. Reminds me of the good old kindergarten days. Alright guys, that was this week's car crap. Hope you guys are doing well at home and hope you guys are staying home as much as you can to help all our hardworking healthcare workers and essential business employees, and to keep those who are at higher risk safe. If you like this show, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And if you disliked it, well, there's another button there too. You can find this show every Friday here on YouTube and also on IGTV. If you happen to stumble upon this video and don't listen to our podcast, please go listen to that because that's our main thing on this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, and we'll see you next week.